Only 1% of you will get the last question in this Kinetics trivia challenge. Are you one of them? What defines an object's inertia and motion? B. Linear momentum. Which force opposes motion and acts parallel to the surfaces in contact? C. Friction force. A 10 kilograms object accelerates at 2 meters per square second. What is the net force acting on it? B. 20 newtons. What is the relationship between mass and acceleration in Newton's second law? A. Inversely proportional. When a car brakes suddenly, which principle explains why passengers lurch forward? C. Inertia of motion. On a roller coaster loop, where does the highest normal force act on a passenger? B. At the bottom. Don't forget to like and subscribe.